Have you noticed your skin tanning, breaking out, or looking older? Harvard researchers emphasize how sunlight accelerates visible skin aging. But this summer, you can protect your glow naturally. Meet the *** homemade glow serum and toner *** I'll show you today. It uses simple ingredients with antioxidant and skin-supporting properties. The goal is brighter-looking skin without complicated beauty routines. And you won't need expensive creams or complicated treatments. Stay with me because the first step changes everything. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use them. Before making anything, let's understand what summer does. Sun exposure can increase pigmentation and accelerate visible skin aging. Sweat and excess oil can also clog pores more easily. That's where our simple homemade toner comes into play. For this toner, you'll need fresh cucumber and green tea. Cucumber provides soothing hydration without feeling heavy on skin. Green tea contains antioxidants studied for their protective skin benefits. Start by brewing 1 cup of unsweetened green tea. Let it cool completely before adding freshly extracted cucumber juice. Mix 2 tablespoons cucumber juice with ½ cup cooled tea. Pour everything into a clean, preferably sterilized glass bottle. Keep this toner refrigerated and use it within several days. Apply gently using clean hands or a soft cotton pad. Never scrub your skin aggressively while applying the toner. Now, here's the part most people get wrong. Natural ingredients still require careful use on sensitive skin. Always perform a small patch test before applying it widely. Use the toner after cleansing, preferably during your evening routine. This helps refresh skin without adding unnecessary heavy products. And remember, toner cannot replace sunscreen during daytime exposure. Daily broad-spectrum sunscreen remains essential for preventing sun-related damage. Now, here's your first secret visual reveal. Your skin should look freshly hydrated, calmer, and naturally refreshed. But the serum adds another important layer to this routine. Now we'll create that glow-boosting serum. And wait until you see why expensive creams often disappoint. If you're enjoying these practical tips, subscribe to Vital 50 Plus. We're building simple, science-informed routines for healthier-looking, mature skin. Now let's create the serum that completes this routine. You'll need fresh aloe vera gel and rose water. Aloe vera helps moisturize and soothe the skin naturally. Rose water adds lightweight hydration while refreshing your complexion. Use 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel. Add 1 tablespoon of plain alcohol-free rose water. Mix slowly until the texture becomes smooth and consistent. For extra antioxidant support, add 2 drops vitamin E. Avoid adding lemon juice directly to this serum. Lemon can irritate skin and increase sun sensitivity. Now, here's the part most people get wrong. More ingredients do not automatically mean better skin results. Simple formulas are often easier to tolerate and maintain. Apply a thin layer after cleansing your face. Gently massage it using clean fingertips for 30 seconds. Then allow the serum to absorb naturally without rubbing. Here's an advanced booster tip worth remembering. Apply this serum slightly before your skin becomes completely dry. That timing helps seal moisture into freshly cleansed skin. Store your serum in the refrigerator inside a clean container. Because homemade products lack commercial preservatives, freshness matters greatly. Discard it immediately if the smell or texture changes. Never apply homemade skincare onto broken or irritated skin. And always patch test before using any new formulation. But there's one mistake that can cancel your progress. Many people use glow products while skipping daily sunscreen. That leaves fresh-looking skin vulnerable to ongoing ultraviolet exposure. In the final part, I'll combine everything correctly. You'll also learn when to use each product for summer. And the timing may surprise you more than the ingredients. Now let's put the entire summer routine together correctly. Start every morning with gentle cleansing and lukewarm water. Follow with your homemade cucumber and green tea toner. Let the toner absorb before applying any additional products. Next, apply a thin layer of your aloe serum. Give your skin several minutes before applying sunscreen. Now, here's the part most people get wrong. They expect homemade skincare to erase deep pigmentation overnight. Real skin improvement requires consistency, sun protection, and patience. For daytime, always finish with broad-spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. Reapply sunscreen according to your exposure and outdoor activities. At night, repeat cleansing and apply your toner. Follow with the aloe-based serum and leave it overnight. Avoid layering multiple new ingredients during your first week. This makes it easier to identify irritation or sensitivity. Remember, natural does not automatically mean completely risk-free. Patch testing remains important, especially for sensitive or reactive skin. And never use these homemade products on damaged skin. If irritation develops, stop immediately and simplify your routine. For dark spots, prevention remains more important than quick fixes. Sun protection helps prevent pigmentation from becoming darker over time. Your goal should be healthier looking, hydrated, protected summer skin. Not instant perfection from one homemade skincare recipe. Give your routine time, consistency, and realistic expectations. And remember, sunscreen remains your strongest summer skincare step. Expensive products aren't always necessary for a simple routine. But proper formulation, hygiene, and sun protection absolutely matter. If your pigmentation suddenly changes, consult a dermatologist promptly. Your glow routine should support healthy skin, not replace medical care. Start simple, stay consistent, and let your skin respond naturally. Remember, beautiful skin starts with simple, consistent daily care. Protect your skin, stay hydrated, and never skip sunscreen. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Vital 50 Plus and share this routine with someone preparing for summer.